Good morning. Happy Monday and happy, is this our third week? Third week of distance learning. Hope you guys had a restful, relaxing weekend and you're ready to tackle this week of distance learning. You'll notice for ELA that you have a Google Doc in the same format as weeks before, days before. And this assignment's a little bit shorter, which I think you'll appreciate. Just because I want to give you some time before we jump into our I believe, essay. So also within that Google Doc, you have two links that will take you to, that's my son singing head, shoulders, knees, and toes. It's going to take you to quizzes. So two sections of quizzes, one over capitalization, which we've been practicing on No Red Ink. The other one is on adverbs and adjectives, another practice for you. The reason why I'm asking you to jump on and complete these quizzes assignments is because it's practice and prep for your quiz next week. Yes, you'll have a quiz. Nothing to stress about. I'm thinking no more than 10 to 15 questions just over some, sentences that have errors or asking you to correct the capitalization within a sentence, identify the adverb, identify the adjective, etc. Okay, so those two activities will really help you in preparing you for that quiz. So make sure you hop on there and you complete those two activities as well. Hope you're able to get outside this week. I saw in the weather that it's going to be 80 degrees 2 days this week, so that's awesome. Even if it's just like stepping outside in the backyard, because I know we're quarantined in and there's not much we can do, but just even if it's stepping outside and just taking in some sun in the backyard for 5 to 10 minutes more if you can, that'd really do you some good. So take care of yourself and email me if you have questions. Okay? Bye, guys.